Hey guys! So it's been like a hot second since I posted a video, and I'm sorry about that, but I've been trying to get into the whole second year thing, and there's just been a whole bunch of stuff going on in my life that has not allowed me to film a YouTube video. But I am filming one for you today, and it is going to be a Sephora haul slash subscription box unboxing. I've already unboxed it. I've used the products, and so I don't actually have a box with me, but this is the bag for the month of September. It is a clear bag, and it's 100% recyclable, and it is so cute. Like, okay, so yeah. So I'm gonna get started with this. This is very loud, and I'm sorry. But the first thing that I'm pulling out is this, which is the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I have used this. This is amazing. I love it. I put it on at night most of the times, because I'll do that and then I'll put a drying lotion on over spots and anything like that, and it works wonders. Sorry. Next, something I use before I do my makeup, and that is the Ole Herkenstein, probably pronouncing that wrong, Truth Serum, which is collagen boosted with Truth C complex. It smells like oranges. I don't know how well this lighting is. I'm really sorry. But yeah. Next, I'm pulling out this Marc Jacobs, oh my god, Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in number 41 Earthquake. It is in this little package, and it is a matte, non-flat, extreme color waterproof eyeliner. Oh god. And it's just brown. It's nothing fun. It's just a brown. But, you know, cool, because I don't really have any brown eyeliners. I don't know, like, yeah, fun fact. Next, I'm pulling out this, which is the Believe the Truth Cream Moisturizing Balm. I've used this before, and I love it. I have not, like, invested in purchasing a full size because I haven't had the time nor the money, so yeah. So it's great to see that again. And next is the Tarte Hangover Replenishing Face Primer with coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin renewers, and it is silicone free, and this stuff is amazing. I've used it before. I love it. 100% recommend it. Now next, probably one of the best mascaras I've used in a while, and that is the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. This is the packaging. I'll take it out. And this is what it looks like. And it is in Noir, which is French for black. And then there's the brush. It's like, it's amazing. I 100% recommend it. But yeah. Okay, so that's from the play box for September. Moving on, I went to Sephora as well because I needed a new eyebrow product. I couldn't wait to like just have it shipped, so I went and bought it. So I got the Benefit Give Me Brow. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it, but there, in number 3.5. And let me tell you, I love this. I love this product. Like, it's amazing. So be on the lookout for a video at some point with an updated makeup routine. So yeah, look out for that. Next, I have the Tarte Glow Goodies Prep Set, and this is what it is. So it's got a radiating drops and quench hydrating moisturizer, or not moisturizer, primer. And they're both amazing. And they're both amazing, and I love them. And they are both part of the Rainforest of the Sea collection, which is exclusive to Sephora. Sad, because otherwise, I mean, it's not sadly, because it's a good thing, because otherwise I just buy all of it, if it was at Ulta. But yeah. And next, I have this, which is from the Beauty Insider point system. It has 500 points, and it is the Fresh box. So in here, it has little products. And, oh good, and this is what the inside of the box looks like. I'm trying not to because it's got all the whinies in it. But I have a Locust Youth Preserve face cream with Super 7 complex. And this all this stuff smells amazing, for the record. This is the Fresh Sugar Rosé Lip Treatment with SPF 15. This is a product I've used before and love. It is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. It's infused with soothing rose water, which hydrates and refreshes. And it's just amazing. And then the final product in here is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, which is rich in amino acids, and it is amazing. 100% recommendation. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'm just trying to put it back away. So yeah, that's it for today's video. It's just a little quick video. I'll probably do, should be a video next week, assuming I get the chance to film it. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to like this video and comment down below what else you would like to see from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Baby, tell me what you in it for. You a 10, messing with a 4. She kick